Speaker, I read the ruling, and in what I see as a strange judgment and one which is purely personal, driven by mischief. Honorable Speaker, why do I say so? The judgment stated that the Speaker is a stranger to this House and not a member of this House. Is this not shocking that the very persons who are supposed to interpret and apply the Constitution disregarded the plain provisions of Article 97 of the Constitution, which clearly states that you are a member of this House? In any case, Honorable Speaker, it is plain truth that the Speaker of any parliament is actually a member number one of that parliament. For the court to misread the Constitution to create public perception that you, the Speaker of the National Assembly, are not a member of parliament, in my opinion, amending the Constitution within the walls of the courtroom, contrary to the Constitution. Honorable Speaker, the same judgment went to great lengths to explain how the Speaker cannot hold a political office. Now, where is it written in the Constitution that a Speaker elected by members of this House cannot hold a political office? Where in, Honorable Speaker, to note is that the same court never gave final orders that the Speaker of the National Assembly cannot hold this political office. Honorable Speaker, how did the question of which is the majority and minority parties end up being a question to determine whether the Speaker can hold a political office? Honorable Speaker, allow me to say this, that we will not sit here and watch unknown forces try to play dirty within the House and the sanctity of the speakership. As our Speaker, we say no to such games. As our great Mulembe son, we say no to such antics. Honorable Speaker, as I wind up, as our great national leader, we say a loud no to such games, and you stay put. I rest my case, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you, Nyareba Richache. Nabi Nabwera. Can I reduce to 2 minutes?
No.